Good morning. I am Aarti Jagdale from AISSMS Institute of Technology. Here we will study the operators. Operators are used in our C programming language for different type of operations. Here we study arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. Here we will check for addition. Addition operators are used to add two numbers together. A subtraction operator is used to subtract one value from another value. Multiplication is operator which multiplies the two values. Division which divides one value by another. Modulus operator is return the division remainder. Increment operator which increases the value of variable by 1. Decrement operator is decreases the value of variable by 1. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign the values to variables. The addition assignment operator adds a value to the variable, that is x plus equal to 5. Assignment operators are used in a C programming language which assign the value. Here the assignment operators are equal to operators is x equal to 5, that is x equal to 5, plus or equal to x plus equal to 3, that is x is equal to x plus 3. Just like that, minus is equal to x minus equal to 3 means x is equal to x minus 3. Star in equal to x star equal to 3, that is x is equal to x into 3. Slash equal to x slash equal to 3, x is equal to x divided by 3. Percentage equal to x percentage equal to 3, x percentage 3. Ampersand sign is used there. Comparison operators. This is also third type of operator which are we use in our C programming. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. This is the important in a programming because it helps to find out the answer and make a decision. Comparison operators are used to make a decision in a program. Either the return value of comparison either 1 or either 0, which means it is a true or false. These values are known as Boolean values, and you will learn more about them. In the Booleans and the if else concept, we can use the comparison operators. Comparison operators are double equal to means x equal to y, not equal to, it's shown by not equal to, x is not equal to y. For greater than, we use greater than sign. Less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These comparison operators we can use here. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between the variables or the values. Logical and is used here the return the true if both statements are true. Logical or means which gives a true returns the true value if one statement is true, and logical not means reverse the result when return false if the result is true. Now the ternary operator's syntax is variable equal to condition, question mark, expression, true, and expression false. Ternary operator syntax is used here. Ternary operator is used in a uh, variables. Swapping the variables program. Here you can see that here we use the ternary operators to find out the person can vote or not. Here the age is greater than 18. This is the condition. Then printf you can wait, and if not, the age is less than 18, then you can't vote. Here we can use in only in one line the ternary operators and find out our solution. Thank you.